Hey, what's good? James Bill here. And today I want to share some tips and strategies with you as to how I make money online. I'm at my house just kind of kicking back. That's what I do. That's my lovely wife back there on the picture. And this is my front room here where I basically kick back, and got a little music playing right now, a little jazz. I'm a musician. I like a little jazz music. Uh, but I want to talk about my online business. Uh, there's a lot of people wanting to know how to make money online, and I'm going to tell you, it's not easy. But once you learn the skill set, it's very easy. I know that sounds kind of contradicting, but it's true, guys. Marketing. If you, the number one thing I would say is to get with a good mentor, someone that has been where you're trying to go now, someone that made the money. Uh, I got with a mentor, and that really changed my life, guys. I used to see these people recording videos and all this stuff on here talking about the money they made, and $10,000 a month, 25, $100,000. Man, look, honestly, I did not believe it. But when I changed my mindset, start listening to my mentor, start reading, doing my personal development, or start reading books and listening to audios like a bunch of these great influencers like Tony Robbins, Les Brown, Zig Ziglar, Bob Proctor, who's else out there? Eric Worre, John Ray Higdon. Man, these guys are phenomenal. And before you knew it, my mindset started transforming. I started thinking like an entrepreneur instead of a consumer. I started thinking like a business owner instead of an employee. And once you have this skill set, let me tell you, it's no turning back. No one can take that from you. It's like going to school, getting a 6 to 8 year medical or law degree. No one can take that back from you. And once you learn how to market, trust me, you write your own checks. So I just wanted to share this information with you guys. Go ahead and get started. Don't wait. Time is of essence. Don't wait. It's not promised to us. I jumped in, and now I know how to market. Am I a guru, a super professional? No. But I know how to market. I get on my laptop, guys, early in the morning, drink a cup of coffee from right here from home, check my emails, and I start marketing. I get on Facebook. I get on other social media platforms, and I market to them. And what am I putting out there? Value, tips, strategies, everything I learn, I pass it on. Then I post results. I've had $1,000 days. I've had a $3,200 day. I've had a $6,400 day. Yes. You talking about someone that jumped into this, not believing. But it's true, guys. It has happened to me. And I'm so grateful for it. That's why I'm on here passing this information on to you. And I want you to do the same thing once you get there. Market. You have to market to get leads. Leads is eyeballs to your offer. There's people out there that need what you're going to be selling. But you have to know how to get your offer in front of them and become a professional marketer where you can attract them, use the law of attraction, where they be attracted to you. You become the hunted instead of the hunter. That's what this ball game is all about. And the way you do that is by putting out content daily content. Lead with value. Everything you learn, pass it on. And then you present your offer. Like who's that? Gary Vaynerchuk. He says, jab, jab, right hook. Give value, then you present your offer. That's how you market, guys. And you need to be sure that you're capturing all of the emails. You have to have a capture page, landing page, however you want to call it. But this is where you capture someone's email, because not everyone is going to buy from you the first go round or the second go round. Okay? So this is why it's so important to capture their email, so you can do a follow-up email to follow up with your leads. Because the average, I think, hotspot is like from 7 to 12 touches of views they have to see of you before they purchase from you. And this is just the facts, guys. But once you learn all of these skills and keep your mindset right, you're off to the races. No one could ever take it from you. Just wanted to share that with you. I'm not gonna hold you too long. I hope you have a great day. And if you're interested and would like some more training, we have step-by-step training. I have a mentor that's been featured on Forbes magazine. He has made over $200 million online today, guys. And he definitely knows what he's doing. And if you like to get some of that training, go ahead and click on the link below, and we'll forward you that information. God bless.